Today, we have a fascinating topic for you: the best AI tools you must know in 2023. Artificial intelligence is shaping our world in incredible ways, and we're going to explore some of the most powerful AI tools that are transforming industries and changing the way we live and work. But first, let's briefly talk about what AI is and its impact on society. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines, allowing them to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. From healthcare to finance, AI is revolutionizing countless industries, making processes more efficient and accurate. 1. IBM Watson. Our first AI tool on the list is IBM Watson. Watson is like a Swiss Army knife of AI, offering a wide range of capabilities. It can analyze large datasets, understand natural language, and even assist in medical research. Businesses and researchers worldwide are leveraging Watson's power to make data-driven decisions and drive innovation. 2. OpenAI's GPT-3. Next up, we have OpenAI's GPT-3. It's one of the most advanced language models out there. GPT-3 can generate human-like text, assist in content creation, and even perform language translation. The possibilities are endless, from chatbots to creative writing assistants. 3. TensorFlow by Google. Moving on to Google's TensorFlow. If you're into deep learning and neural networks, this is the tool for you. TensorFlow is an open-source machine learning framework that provides a flexible platform for building and deploying AI models. It's widely used by developers and researchers. 4. Azure Machine Learning by Microsoft. Microsoft's Azure Machine Learning is another powerful tool in the AI landscape. It offers a comprehensive set of tools and services for building, training, and deploying machine learning models. Azure makes AI development accessible for businesses of all sizes. 5. NVIDIA Deep Learning AI. If you're into cutting-edge AI hardware, NVIDIA Deep Learning AI is a game changer. NVIDIA's GPUs are a cornerstone of modern AI development, delivering high-performance computing for training complex models. It's the backbone of AI research and development. 6. AutoML Tools. Don't worry if you're not a machine learning expert. AutoML tools like Google AutoML and H2O.ai's driverless AI are making AI accessible to non-experts. They automate the process of model development, making AI more approachable for businesses. So, there you have it, some of the best AI tools you must know in 2023. Whether you're a developer, a business owner, or just someone curious about AI, these tools can empower you to harness the potential of artificial intelligence. Remember, AI is constantly evolving, so staying updated with the latest tools and technologies is essential. Thank you for joining us today, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tech savvy, and we'll see you in the next video. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. Which AI tools are you most excited about? Have you used any of the tools we mentioned? We'd love to hear your experiences and insights. Until next time, take care and stay curious.